If you want to work in the rehab space treating specific musculoskeletal pain and dysfunctions, we strongly recommend our Advanced Rehab Diploma of Remedial Massage program. Graduates of this course generally work in multi-modality clinics alongside other health professionals such as physiotherapists, osteopaths, chiropractors, or working for themselves running their own business. We have handpicked over 100 extra orthopaedic testing and soft tissue techniques that target muscle and joint pain, as well as remedial TENS, myofascial cupping, kinesiology taping, and Thai massage. Our industry-leading training covers Swedish and pregnancy massage, trigger point and thermotherapy, myofascial and positional release techniques, and modalities such as reflexology, seated massage, sports massage, nutrition advice, manual lymphatic drainage, and injury prevention screening. These practical modalities help our graduates be sought after by both clients and employers. It's face-to-face learning in a supportive classroom environment that will prepare you for an exciting career in massage.
I was a bit scared to get into clinic because I am pretty young, but then once I started, everybody was really welcoming, everybody was really kind, and it wasn't scary as I thought. Everything's like a learning process, and it just got better with time.
They make it so much like a real working environment. They teach you so much about running a clinic where it's reception, taking bookings and taking payment, then to actually getting clients on the table. It's sort of giving a good, while being in school, giving a real world experience has been really enjoyable. It's never really felt like work.